What are you doing? Hey. Ah. Ah. Did he just eat shit? Wait. Wait. What?
So these puppies, they are not sledding yet. They are going for hikes with us. But in few weeks, they will be sledding as well.
Oh.
And there is bigger dog that you see there. That's Gaia. And so these dogs, like one, it's Orca. And this on the ground is Reiki. And the one who is biting is Sun. Hey. Hey.
Oh wow! Have you taken custody of me? Yes. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I know.
Oh my god!
They don't like me. Ah, and I want to go and pee.